My gift box from Brian at AmazingRC is here, and if you're a diecast fan like I am, you're going to want to stick around for this epic unboxing. Hey to all my regular viewers, welcome back, and if you're new, take the opportunity now to hit subscribe. It's free, and also don't forget to hit the little bell icon as well, so you'll be notified when I share new content. Now, if you're a regular of the channel, then you know that I have a pretty good relationship with a fellow YouTube creator, Brian, over at AmazingRC. And if you haven't subbed to AmazingRC, I'll leave a description below. Go check out Brian over at AmazingRC if you're into any kind of RC or custom diecast, because that guy is a master at custom diecast, and you're about to witness that soon. So keep watching. Brian and I have been helping each other out for a little while now. It's been going back and forth, like these little giftings, if you will. I think it started out a couple of years back when he saw a video that I made on my original Low-C Mini T 1.0, and he noticed that some tires were a little worn. And he was like, hey man, I got a set of these Low-C wheels that you can't find anywhere anymore. Just kind of collecting dust. I have no use for them. I could just send them to you. And I thought that was really, really nice. So I said, sure. So he sent me those wheels, and then later on down the road, he had a dual motor E-Max going, and he was looking for a wheelie bar for it. So I was like, hey man, you know what? I know a local shop that sells old Traxxas parts still. I could probably find a wheelie bar for it, and I'll send it over to you. And I got him a wheelie bar for that E-Max. I talk to him on the weekly at least. He's a pretty busy guy. Anyway, it's been going back and forth. We've discovered that we're both really into diecast now. So we've decided to start gifting each other diecasts. You know, I mean, little dollar cars, big deal, right? He finds things that he can find two of, he'll usually grab one for me, and then vice versa. I find something that's special that I can find two of, I'll grab one for him as well. Although lately, we've seemed to kind of been trying to outdo each other. I have an idea of what's in this box, but judging by the size of it and the fact that it weighs closer to 5 pounds than not, I would say there's a lot more in here that he did not tell me about. This is kind of making up for two boxes that I've sent him as well. You know, real life happens once in a while. You know, sending a box of toys is not always your to-do list on your daily priorities. And we both understand that. So anyways, it's here. Let's get into it. Let's take this out right away. Baby.
Oh, what's going on?
I got something for you from Brian. So you'll actually be able to see my wife unbox this over on her channel. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to find out what's in here. This, I don't think is something I recognize that he ever mentioned. It's a majorette, which is a really well-detailed diecast. I think he sent this to me because it looks like Barricade from Transformers, and he knows I'm a Transformer freak. That's really, really cool. Thank you, Brian. I was not expecting that one. So this leaked to me because it was in a photograph that he took, and I told him, what are you doing? You don't have to send that to me. Another majorette. You know, a lot of opening doors. And to get this kind of detail from Hot Wheels, you gotta go like RLC. Awesome. Not expecting that. Like, he did not tell me about all these, Brian. What is going on here? If you watched my last video, and then you'll know I'm a Lamborghini freak, because I talked all about the Lamborghini that I'm actually sending back to him with my next gift box for him to customize for me. Lamborghini Urus. Very cool. What is this? Dude, that looks like MOPAR. He also knows I'm a MOPAR head, eh? MOPAR or no car, boys. No, is it the black GTX? No. It's the black version of the GTX. Oh, that is sick. That is so really, really nice. Very cool. Thank Thank you so much, Brian. He did not tell me about this. So this one he told me about. I used to work on these cars through a co-op program in my high school. I was like 16 years old, and I used to work on these Z cars, some of the 300Zs. I worked on 510s almost 30 years ago. Crazy. 70s Datsun, not even Nissan, Datsun. Oh boy, there's some more stuff in here I don't recognize him telling me about, like this crazy ass Batmobile. That is sick. That's probably everybody's favorite Batmobile. I mean, it's got to be the most famous Batmobile. It's Tim Burton's Batmobile. Thank you so much, Brian. He knows I'm a Batman. Do you know how much space I'm going to have to make on the Batman shrine, Brian? Oh, man. Holy cow, dude. First world problems. Another one. Another big Batmobile. That is crazy. And this is the one that's from the same series as the 1940s Batmobile that I have. So there's been very few things that I that I was actually expecting so far. Dude, you sent this to me? I don't think I ever told you what a big Monopoly fan I was, but something he showed me that he got, and I was like, wow, that's super cool. And I guess just because of my reaction, he was like, oh, well, I guess it's going in the box for him. That is super awesome, man. Very, very nice. Thanks so much, dude. That is so awesome, but I can't ever open it. I'm not going to be able to use the piece. What? Hello? You're in trouble, Brian. You're in trouble. You're in trouble, man. You guys better go and watch Brian, because I'm not even gonna make a video of what I'm sending him next. He's just gonna get it. So the only way you're gonna find out what I'm gonna get for him is you gotta subscribe to him, and then when he gets the package, he'll make a video, hopefully. And like, this is my first super treasure hunt that I have ever owned. You're in trouble, Brian. I'll get you back for this. That's just awesome, man. What is this? Oh, yeah. Okay, this one I knew about. This is cool, man. Yeah. This is sick. Look at this. Put different wheels on it. I used to actually drive one of these vehicles for work. It's a Ford Transit Connect. It wasn't as nice as this one, but like, it didn't have exhaust sticking out the back like that. And I remember it well. What is this? No, you did not. No, you didn't. Dude. He knows that I have the regular version of this car, and he just figured I would appreciate the ID version. My first ID car. A lot of firsts out of this box. And this, I have no idea what's this box. It just has my name on it. And let's see what this is all about. Oh, man. I have a Dom's Charger tune, and like he showed me that he got one of these, and I was like, oh, if you got another one of those, I'd sure like one. He didn't even say he was gonna send it, he just threw it. He was like, yeah, it's yours. That's awesome. So cool, because now I got Brian's Supra and Dom's Charger. This is awesome. He just decided to throw this in without telling me. Appreciate this, babe. An army green, the Batman Batmobile.
Oh, it's so nice. From the Edward movie.
The Batman. Very,
Awesome.
very nice. I have to make so much room on the bat wall. Oh my god.
Yeah.
And then this one, I gotta confess that even after you told me you had this for me, and I told you I didn't have it, I did find it after, so I've got a second one now. But very, very cool Batmobile. Not an easy find. You didn't find these everywhere. Actually, Will Thompson you said you're looking for an Adam West Batmobile. If you're watching, Will, you got to hit me up, man. If you want a carded Adam West Batmobile, I'll get one to you. You just got to send me your mailing address to my email, and I will get you an Adam West carded Batmobile, I promise. Oh yeah, of course he's gonna send me the Dodge Challenger SRT to a MOPAR head. Of course he's gonna send me this car. What is this? Okay, so I think these are the wheels from the cars that I sent him. I sent him cars with these wheels on so he could use it in a custom. He took the wheels, made a custom, a Batmobile custom, and put the wheels on. And it looks awesome. They go really well with this vehicle. Another one. Oh yeah. This is my track ready premium Batmobile. So he's taken the Real Rider rubbers off of it because he used them for another custom. Everyone knows the Real Rider rubbers are not the best for the track. And he was like, you know what, I'm going to take that premium shell and I'm going to make it a track car, which means he's going to put some nice plastic wheels on it for the track. Lee over at Bathurst Diecast Racing, he does Batmobile racing sometimes, so I think I'm going to have to enter this in one of Lee's Batmobile races. One of my personal favorite Batmobiles, because, I mean, it's the one that I grew up with watching on TV, right? So it's always going to have a place in my heart. I love the blue fleck in this. Premium vehicles. I mean, it gives them some really nice paint jobs. And the deco on this thing is just gorgeous. Okay, here we go. Oh man, you know how long I've been waiting for this? This custom was made from a Treasure Hunt Batmobile. He gave me the card, and he numbered it. The card is in perfect condition. Looks like it's dated. It's still got the American congratulations. The symbol means you've just found a collectible treasure hunt car. All we get is this little fire symbol. We don't actually get that congratulations. So that's how you know it's actually an American treasure hunt card. I'll show you a picture of what this vehicle looks like. Right, this model that I found at a Dollarama is the exact same car. Comes with the exact same paint job, the exact same wheels, the exact same base, the exact same top. Even has the exact same flame on it, but it doesn't come on a treasure hunt card. It's exactly the same as a treasure hunt. But what he's done with this is amazing. He's put Dually Real Riders on the back, and this thing looks the part. That's a Batmobile, guys. That is a Batmobile. Now, a one-of-a-kind treasure hunt. And I've got the card to prove it. There it is. And it looks so good. And he's put some paint details on the back. I'm telling you guys, you want a custom Hot Wheels done right? Get in touch with Brian. Oh man. It's too much. It's too much. You're in so much trouble, Brian. You open my next gift box, you better make a video of that, because you're gonna have to, because they're gonna have to prove how you had a coronary. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. It was a pleasure showing you all the gifts that I got from Brian. What more can I say? But keep on RCing, keep on keeping on, and of course, keep on die casting. Till next time, guys.